In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to create professional and engaging LinkedIn content. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from blank page to polished post, article, or update that resonates with your audience, supports your personal brand, and drives meaningful engagement. Start by opening Claude AI in your browser or desktop app. Once it loads, click New Chat in the left sidebar to begin a fresh conversation. This keeps your project focused and makes it easier to refine your content as you go. In the message box labeled Reply, I'll clearly tell Claude what you want. Explain that you're creating LinkedIn content and provide the essentials in one concise prompt. Specify the type of content you need, whether it's a short post, a longer article, or a quick update. Share your topic or industry so the advice is relevant. Identify your target audience, such as managers, early career professionals, or a niche community. Set the tone you want: professional, friendly, motivational, or informative, and include the desired length, like 120 words for a post or 600 to 800 words for an article. A simple example could be: write a 150-word LinkedIn post for marketing leaders about current B2B trends in a confident but friendly voice. Ask Claude to structure the content intentionally. Request a strong opening that hooks attention in the first line, followed by clear main points or insights that deliver value. Close with a conclusion or a call to action, such as inviting readers to comment, share, or follow for more updates. Stating this upfront helps Claude format the piece for maximum scannability on LinkedIn. Press Enter to generate the content. In a few moments, you'll receive a draft. Now review it with a critical eye. If it feels flat, ask Claude to make it punchier or more professional. If it needs substance, request specific examples or relevant data points to support the message. If the voice doesn't match your brand, ask for adjustments: warmer, crisper, more conversational, or more authoritative. You can also request a shorter or longer version to fit LinkedIn's character limits and your audience's attention span. Once you're happy with the result, copy the final content. Head to LinkedIn to post it immediately, or use scheduling to publish at a time your audience is most active. With this workflow, you can quickly create content that's clear, credible, and engaging, ready to strengthen your presence on LinkedIn.